up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to go over a few problems that I've been having with the Duramax diesel. So the other day I got out of work, drove home, parked the truck, and came out the next day to start it, and it was dead, like completely dead. The dash lights would come on, the headlights would come on, so I had full electrical system, but the truck would not crank over whatsoever. So if you go online, do research, there's a lot of people on there talking about no crank, no start, but they have full electrical power. And I ended up replacing the 2 batteries in the truck, so I put brand new batteries in it. I did the neutral safety switch down on the transmission, which can cause it to not have the no start problem. That wasn't it though. Still had the no start problem. And I just did lots of research online, and a lot of people are on there talking about the harness rub. So your harness slightly moves around in these trucks because they ride so stiff. GM didn't secure the harness down well enough, and so over time, the truck's 14 years old. The harness will actually rub right through the loom and through wires in the harness, causing all sorts of electrical haywire in the Silverado chassis. So I'm just going to go over what I found, and so hopefully it'll help some of you guys out there. I know I got on YouTube and I couldn't find a lot of people on there that tell you a solve for the problem, so I'm just going to show you guys what I found and how I fixed my truck. And it took me about 3 or 4 days of really chasing it around and looking at everything on the truck, so I wish I would have known about this sooner, but I still arrived at the, repairing the truck. So I'll go ahead and show you guys exactly what I found. So on the harness, the driver's side, you got your engine control computer down here. That's it right there behind the black box with all those wires coming in. And you can actually see where the new electrical tape is. Sorry about the angle, but you guys look at your trucks, right where the computer harness comes in, about 6 to 8 inches back, it rests right on the plastic wheel well. And that is exactly where my problem was. So if you guys, and you can't really see it from up top here, you have to be able to take out your wheel well liner on the driver's side. So remove your whole wheel well liner, take out your plastic wheel well liner, and right about right here on the other side where the harness comes out of the computer, it rubs on the inner wheel well here. So as soon as you drop this down, and I took detailed pictures of the damage so you guys can get a close shot at what it looks like. But as soon as you drop this down, just look right in this area here, and you will see that your wires are chafed, the plastic lining's gone, and in my case it had cut right through the wire itself. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up if any of you guys are also having full power, no crank system. This is what it is. This is what it was on my truck. So I just wanted to give you guys that heads up, and hopefully this video helps out somebody out there. So thanks for watching, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.